Hello, today I'm in Nissan Micra. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can increase and decrease radio volume, change radio station, and this panel allows us to navigate through instrument cluster menu. Here on the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable and disable speed limiter, cruise control, answer the calls and decalls, and use voice assistant. This panel is responsible for speed limiter and cruise control management. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.